Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this fondant topper. It's very good for your fondant cake. You can use it for birthday party. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video, and any day I drop any new video you will get an alert. Seriously, subscription is free just for you to be getting alert of my new video. You only need different colors of fondant and you use Crisco to rub on your hands so that it will be very easy for you to work with. If you want to use fondant, you have to allow it to dry and the next day before you place it on your cake. But if you want to use it that day, you need to use either gum press or you use your passage. Passage dries faster. Use water with a little CMC to gum the fondant together. Please, if you have not liked my video, click on the like button, give me some thumbs up so that other people will be able to see this beautiful video. Like I said, you need to allow it to dry. You need to allow it the next day to dry out before you use. But if you want to use it that day, you have to prepare your passage. If you want to know how to make passage, I will be putting it on the link below, the way you can make your passage, or even how to make gum press. Our fondant rainbow topper is out. If you have not liked my video, what are you waiting for? Click on the like button, give me some thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.